All right, check this out. What if you had $5,000 and you invested this $5,000, and within 3 years, this $5,000 turns into $31,500 in 3 years? We're gonna take the what ifs out because it's possible, and I'm gonna show you how. All by taking $5,000 and investing it into buying a cash car. So these numbers I'm about to give you, these numbers are based off of experience. It doesn't mean this is going to be your experience, but I believe with my help, this could be your experience too. But these are real numbers, so I just want to throw out these are real numbers based off of my experience, okay? Because people like to get online and debate you. That's not true. You ain't even doing this. So hold on, player, calm down. Let somebody who do this talk about it. All right. So we're gonna start with step one. You got $5,000. You want to get into the rental car business. You take that $5,000. It's in your pocket. It's in your bank account. It's in your piggy bank, wherever it's at. You go on Facebook Marketplace and you search for cars that are under $5,000. Search for a 2014 or better that's under $5,000. All right, that's step number one. Now that you done found the car, we're gonna move on to step two. Step two is you listing this vehicle on Turo. Now, for the people who do private rentals, because these private rental people be jumping out the woodwork, they like private rental and Turo is like saying LeBron versus MJ. It's this debate, you know what I mean? But them private rental people will jump out the gate and say, you don't do Turo. They take money. They take this and that third. I'm telling you, if you just starting out, don't take your ass the private route. It costs money to go that way. You got to have marketing and advertising dollars, all right? So let's get back to the little 5,000 you got. Boom, you got your 5,000. We on step two. Step two, we gonna list this bad boy on Turo. Turo is already a platform. They're already gonna bring people. They already have marketing and advertising dollars going. They waiting on you. They just want more hosts. So we take this $5,000 investment. We went step one. We looked on Facebook Marketplace. We found us a car. We bought this vehicle. Got it registered. We get our insurance. You're going to get fleet insurance. Once you have your insurance, we are ready to list this thing on Turo. We're on step two now. Keep up with me. Now, step two, we're listing this car on Turo because we're trying to turn this $5,000 into $31,500 within the next 3 years. All right. So we're going to move on to step number three. Step three, we getting into the money part. So we want to get this car listed, advertising where we're getting $350 a week. Okay. These numbers that I'm using now are low end numbers, but they're realistic numbers. And this comes off of my experience. I want to say that again now. It's my experience. I'm not saying this is definite, but these are the possibilities this can happen off of my experience. Okay, so now you have this car listed and it's making $350 a week. With your $5,000 investment, it's going to take you 3.5 to 4 months to make that money back at $350 a week because it's bringing in $1,400 a month. Let's just go with 4. It's going to take you 4 months to make your $5,000 back. All right. Once you have made your initial investment back, everything after that is in the green. So if it's only 8 more months left in the year and this car is producing $1,400 a month, now you have another $11,200 for the rest of the year that this car has produced on top of the 5 you had. So in total 16, but you had to get your 5 back. So now we had $11,200 in year one. This is minus maintenance and routine maintenance, maybe new tires and stuff like that. We'll get to the maintenance and all the other stuff, but let's just stick on that 11,200 because remember we started with $5,000 got us a cash car. Put that cash car on Turo. We got it rented out. It's bringing in $350 a week. We have $1,400 a month. The $1,400 a month for the next 4 months gonna give us our $5,000 back. We got 8 more months in a year. We done ran it up and we made an additional $11,200. Let's get to step 4. Step number 4 is easy. We done been through year 1. So now we on year 2. Year 2, we just making sure that we keep this car in tip top shape and that it's rented out throughout the entire year because now we don't got to make this $5,000 back. Everything for year 2 is in the green. So year 2 at this car making $350 a week, 4 weeks, that's $1,400 a month, times 12 months, that's $16,800 that this car produces. Keep in mind, we got to minus the insurance, the maintenance, routine maintenance, repairs that may occur here and there, which roughly in a year, I don't be spending no crazy amount of money on no vehicle on maintenance per year. Probably about anywhere between $2,000 to $3,000 in a year. But even if a car is bringing in $16,000 in a year, you subtract this little $3,000. Okay, I made $13,000 off of this, and this was that's my in business. Those are my business expenses that just come with the business. You got to spend a little money to make some money. So now you got your maintenance. So let's go back. We got year 1. This car done made $11,000 after we made our $5,000 back. Year 2. This car done made $16,800. We hovering around $28,000 within those 2 years. Now this the grand finale right here, because we done did year 1. All right, made $11,000, $11,200. Year 2, we made $16,800. Year 3, we're going to sell the car for a fraction of the price that we bought it for. So we bought it for $5,000. Let me relist this same car on Facebook Marketplace and sell it for $3,500. We wait till around tax season to sell this car for a good $3,000 to $3,500. When you add it all up together, you have now made, this car has made you $31,000, $31,500 to be exact, all on a $5,000 investment. And it just made money for you over and over again throughout those 3 years. On year 3, you sell it. You can now take that money that you sold it for, the $3,500, take that money, add a little something more to it, invest it into another vehicle, wash, rinse, and repeat. This is how you can actually turn $5,000 into $31,500 within 3 years, because your money is working for you. It's on the road. It's working for you. If you serious about getting into the car rental business and you want more tidbits and more gems, shoot me a message. Just shoot me a message. Let me know you serious. Say I'm serious. Hit me with the TI. I'm serious. And if you serious, then we'll work. It's your boy William Boston. I'm up out of here on that one.